Instagrammable modern windows grille design ideas images. Welcome to our Instagram-worthy collection of modern windows grille design ideas. If you're looking to add a touch of elegance and style to your home, you've come to the right place. Our carefully curated selection showcases stunning window grille designs that are not only functional and secure, but also aesthetically pleasing. In this YouTube video, we present a visual feast of innovative and trendy window grille designs that will elevate the look of any contemporary space. From sleek and minimalistic patterns to intricate geometric shapes, we've got something to suit every taste and architectural style. Step into the world of captivating modern windows grille design ideas with our visually stunning YouTube video. Are you looking to upgrade your living spaces with contemporary charm? Look no further as we bring you an array of Instagram-worthy window grille designs that will leave you in awe. Our carefully curated collection features a blend of elegance and functionality, showcasing the latest trends in window grille designs. From sleek and stylish patterns to intricate and artistic details, each design has been thoughtfully selected to inspire your interior aspirations. Join us on this virtual tour of architectural brilliance as we present high-quality images of these modern window grilles. You'll witness how these captivating designs not only enhance the aesthetics of any space, but also offer security and natural light infusion. Whether you're an interior design enthusiast, a homeowner seeking inspiration, or an architect looking to incorporate stunning window grille designs into your projects, you won't want to miss this video. Our high-quality images offer a close-up view of each design, so you can truly appreciate the craftsmanship and attention to detail. These modern window grille designs not only provide an extra layer of security but also allow for ample natural light and ventilation, creating a comfortable and inviting atmosphere within your living spaces. They effortlessly combine form and function, making them perfect for both residential and commercial applications. So, get ready to be captivated by the mesmerizing beauty of these Instagram-worthy window grille designs. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more home decor and architectural inspiration. Share this video with your friends and family who appreciate modern design, and let us know in the comments which design caught your eye the most. Thank you for joining us on this design journey. Let's make your space a picture-perfect haven with these stunning modern windows grille ideas. Hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more delightful home decor content. Share this video with your friends and family so they too can explore the world of Instagrammable modern window grille designs.